How to deactivate your Roblox account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can deactivate your Roblox account. So in order to deactivate your Roblox account, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is simply launch your Roblox application and then click onto this more option. Now once you click here, you can see the following interface, and from here simply choose settings. Now within the settings, you see these options right here. So from these options, you can simply click onto this option, that is privacy and content restrictions. Once you click onto this option, you will see these options, and at the very last, you can find the account deletion or deactivation. So click onto this, and from here you see deactivate account. Deactivating your account is reversible, while deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. To proceed, click onto this deactivate option, and then you will need to confirm your account deactivation and click on deactivate. Now, once you will do this, you might also need to verify yourself, especially if you have two-step verification enabled. Just verify yourself by using in the appropriate method and click onto this verify button, and you will be successfully deactivated out of Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.